What's up, y'all? I'm back in the house. I just made some ramen noodles, but you know, I had to hook it up, add some seasonings and stuff. But real quick, is Bitcoin going away? Is Bitcoin, is that going to be of non-existence in the next year or two? What's going on? We've been talking about it since what? 2008, 2010. It just jumped up to 56,000, jumped up to 60,000 last week, but now it went down some. But now I'm reading articles, I'm seeing everyone on YouTube asking and talking about, is Bitcoin going away? And I'm very curious to hear what my Kryptonians have to say here in Young Money Muggles. What's going on, y'all? What do y'all think? Is Bitcoin going away? Is this going to be the biggest drop that we've ever experienced? That's what I'm hearing. I'm hearing that what is about to come to Bitcoin, to the cryptocurrency, to Ethereum, is about to be the biggest crash thus far. What do you guys think of that? How does that make you guys feel? I heard one guy say he had over 2 million in Bitcoin, and now he switched it out to just his spending money. I heard another person say that Tesla took out a lot of their shares. A lot of people are removing a lot of their shares. But isn't it in ATMs now? Aren't other industries and companies like Walmart, Target, aren't they starting to invest into Bitcoin and incorporate things? Aren't we having other stores open up and other people who offering forms of payment from their clients to be Bitcoin? Aren't we doing that? So what's really happening right now? Was this just a fad? Was this just a thing that, lasted for as long as it did and now it's over? Or is this something that people really think is gonna be the next currency? I don't know. They say money has to be divisible, has to be durable, has to be divisible, has to be durable, has to be fungible, and can be exchanged. So it has to be a form of exchange. And right now, it seems to be that Bitcoin and Ethereum are all of those things except for maybe durable. I know they got CeeLo, Anglo. It's a whole many other different ones coming out. There's some of Bitcoin, or there's some cryptocurrencies that are out right now that, they don't even have a website behind them. They don't even have a name or anything fully behind it. It's just a lot of people investing in wishes and investing in hopes and dreams and believing that this company or this cryptocurrency could be worth anything. But what do you guys say? I'm going to post this as well on YouTube, and I'm going to leave the comments open for this. And I want to hear your thoughts. I want to hear what all my Kryptonians out there have to say. I know you guys probably haven't heard me use that lingo before, but I actually have had it on my Instagram for the longest. Kryptonian. Like Superman is from Krypton, is it Krypton? Lord have mercy. He's from Krypton, and Kryptonian is actually the thing that makes him weak. But with the whole crypto world, I was just being funny. I think that was like 2015, 2016 I did that. Superman's like my second favorite. It's Batman, then it's Superman when it comes to DC. So, what do y'all think? I want to hear what y'all have to say. I want to hear what y'all need, what your inputs are. How much are y'all investing in Bitcoin? Are you still going to invest? I don't know about you, but I'm still going to invest. Right now is the perfect time. You buy in the dip, right? right? So you buy in the dip, you buy while the value is lower, so that as it jumps, your money and your value jumps as well. And then you can choose if you're going to be one of those people that, buy and then sell and get out your profits, or you're going to be someone that holds it, or you're going to be someone that's skeptical and say no, don't do it, don't invest, don't do it anymore. It's a scam, or you just don't care about Bitcoin. But what are y'all gonna do? I'm buying in the dip right now. It's at 54, I think now. It was at 56. It was at 56. Then dropped to 54 when I checked this morning. So I went ahead and put a few orders in. So Ethereum. What are y'all putting in? What are y'all projecting? They're projecting that Bitcoin is going to get to $100,000 this year. And then there's some projecting that Bitcoin is going to flop, that we're going to about to experience a big crash. But maybe the crash is coming before the biggest return ever, or the biggest income received from having that. I'm excited. I'm excited that I have the opportunity to invest my money in the ways that I do. I'm excited that I literally am in home right now. I work from home like the majority of everyone right now because of the pandemic. But if I wasn't in the pandemic, we would have our own office. We would have our own space. I'd still be on my own time, my own laws. Why? Because I've been able to set my life up in a way, strategically set things up in a way to where as though this is now my life. I enjoy it. I love it. And I'm excited. Everyone's freaking out right now on the cryptocurrency. I'm here for the journey. I'm here for the full ride. Oh, well, you haven't lost hundreds of thousands of dollars like I have. You haven't done that. I mean, I've lost some money when the dip dropped, when it dips. I've lost some money, and I've heard of people who had, like I said, millions of dollars, and now they're at 30,000, 50,000 for certain cryptocurrencies. That's the thing. It's certain cryptocurrencies that are going down. But I believe that Bitcoin, I believe that Ethereum, I believe that like CeeLo, I believe that a few other ones out there, I believe that they can last, they can withstand this time. Like I said, money must be durable, must be fungible, must be exchangeable, must be divisible, and Bitcoin's getting there. All right. What do y'all say? Let's hear what y'all gotta say. Drop the comments down below. I'm sitting over here talking to y'all this whole time, and he done laid on my feet. I think he a big old baby. He used to lay at my feet. Now he can only lay his head at my feet. But y'all have a great Tuesday. We're coming back on this afternoon. It's still March Money Madness, you guys. Trading Tuesdays, okay? We sat down, me and my team, and we developed Trading Tuesday. So every Tuesday, we're going to come on. We're going to show you guys how to get into trading, how to get into the trading market, how to understand Forex trading. We're not really a part of that whole selling you, making you buy just to learn. If you're a part of the community, that's good enough for us. We're making money regardless if you join or not, regardless if you pay or not. So I'm not worried about all that. But Trading Tuesdays is going to be today. I'm going to show you guys, open up the demo account, show you guys how it works, show you guys how we can get some few sales in. And then if you're showing up Sunday to Ruth Chris, I said Chris Ruth earlier, but it's Ruth Chris Steakhouse for the Young Money Muggle Mixer. We'll be there, and we'll obviously have that on the agenda to talk about. But you guys have a great day. I know I said it like 8 times now. I'm about to go out in my garden. I've been fixing these Brussels sprouts up, trying to get them to act right. But y'all have a good one. Bye.